Perfect, perfect. So today is an English session. I don't have a video working. My camera is not working. So, but we're still going to be able to give the class. Today we're going to talk about Manara and the correlation strategy that we're using. To the people that don't know me, my name is Luis Leal, also known as PapaForex. I've been involved in this industry for 30 years. And I'm here at eEconomy to teach you to teach you some strategies that you can apply on Manara scanner. Okay, very simple strategies that you can apply at any time of the day. And I'm going to share my screen. Let me know. Actually, I'm going to share two screens. Hold on. I'm going to share two screens because that way it will be easier to show you everything. Hold on. This and this. Okay, perfect. So you must be looking at a screen on my left. It's a Manara screen. And on the right, it's an MT4. Okay, that's the way you should be looking at it. Let me see. Let me know on the chat if you're looking at my two screens. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now let's see. Manara on the left side, we see the scanner, and I picked this trade from, this is from September 4th at 2 in the morning. So actually it was this morning for me. I'm in LA time or California time. So the first thing that you need to do is this. When you see a notification, here, this button right here is the second from right to left, not this part, this one. This button right here, and you click hide, and it's going to clean the chart from unwanted lines. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is find out where it's point A and point B. We have point A here, and we have point B here. Okay? So this is the super trend, the red line right here. So when you want to buy, when you want to sell, you want point A and point B to be below the super trend. Okay. So right here, super trend is red. So it means the probability that the price will drop is higher. And now you have point A and point B below the super trend. So that is the first step. The second step is that the blue line, it's below the red line. That means sell. If the blue line it's above the red line, that means buy. Okay, let's see if we see an example down here. Here, see, you see the blue, it's above the red, that means buy. And super trend is green, so that means buy. Okay, simple as that. So when you have a notification, you find out if point A and point B meet the requirements to either be on top or below the super trend. Now, once everything is it's on point, then you go to the right side and you want to see if we have a correlation. First of all, NCDJPY is this one. This is the daily time frame, and you can see that it started a downtrend. So it means it's better. I trade following the trend, so it means that I should sell. I don't buy. At this moment, I don't buy on NCDJPY. I only sell. Why? Because I like to go with the trend. But not only that, I like to check the correlation. So from NCDJPY, if we go back, let's go check the correlation. And the correlation, it's right here. Correlation right there. So we see that NCDJPY, it's, see, down here, NCDJPY. Click on it, and you will see that NCDJPY correlates with AUDJPY 98.8%, and with SEKJPY 98.8%. So it's actually, it means that they move almost the same way. 98%, it's almost the same way. So let's put the other one here, AUDJPY, so I can show you how the graph looks. And then SEK, I think, yeah, my broker doesn't have SEK, but it has NOKJPY right there. Now, let me put the three together. Let me do it one more time. So there it is. That's the three pairs together. You see that it looks like it's almost the same pair three times, but it's three different pairs. That's correlation. That it means that they move. You see, from the information on the left, because the number is positive, it means that they move the same way. If the number is negative, like here, it means that they move opposite way. So you can see that since, this is June 19 right here. Since June 19 up to today, they've been moving the same way, you see? So this is how I use the correlation to enter trades that have a higher probability of winning, right? Now, the market is going to do what the market wants to do, okay? It doesn't mean that this is 100% certainty, but it is a high probability, okay? So right here, you can see that NCDJPY coming down, AUDJPY also, and NOKJPY. So this gives me the correlation. That's the other point that I always check. The correlation is right on point. And then all the indicators also are right on point. So that's why I'm able to enter this trade. And as you can see, look where the trade is. It already hit all TPs. Normally what we do is we enter on point A, and the stop loss is point B coming down. And then we look, first of all, our TP1 is going to be at 0.5. That will be our first TP1. So right here will be TP1. This already passed, okay? Of course, you can see the candles. But I want you to understand, to learn how I enter the market. That way you learn the strategy and you can apply it yourself. You don't need to wait for PapaForex to send you the trades. You learn the strategy and you do it yourself. When you have time to trade. So this basically it just hit the TP3. See? So at 2 in the morning my time, this was going to be a sell stop. Sell stop right there. Up here was going to be our stop loss. And then right here it's TP1. And then TP2. And then last but not least, TP3. And it hit the three TPs. TP3. There we go. That's it. As simple as that. So that's what I do every day to mark my charts, to enter the market. I want to know from you on the chat room if you're using this strategy. I want you to tell me I'm using it. If it's new, this strategy for you, say it's new. I want to know the audience their knowledge. And then we're going to check right now new entries. Let me see. Okay, totally new. Okay, totally new. Big flaws. This is a strategy, an easy strategy, really. It's just a couple of steps that you need to perform, but they're very easy, very, very easy. So if we go to notification again, and then let's see what else we got. Now, NCDCHF. See, this is like a salad, right? We have point A and point B, which it's good that they're both below the super trend at this time. Actually, right there. But to go down, it's the red super trend, and then we have the blue line below the red line. That's all good. That's all good. But then there was a trend change. You see how it went up? So right there, when this happened, right here, then we cancel this entry. Okay? When we cancel the entry, when there is a trend change with the super trend, look, what is a trend change? A trend change, it's when you have the red super trend and then it becomes green. That's a trend change. So the first candle right here, this is the first candle, the one that has the arrow. So this is the first candle. So what I look for, it's a confirmation. It means that I put a horizontal line on top on the high price of the candle, and then I wait for another candle to close above. Immediately the next candle closed above. So this candle right here, for me, it's confirming the trend change. So that's why when that happens, then this setup, it's canceled. I don't care about it anymore. So, and then I go and look for another one. Let's say CAT CHF. CAT CHF, we have something very similar to the other one. As you can see, we have point A and point B. Let me mark it for you. Point A, point B. Blue, it's below the red. Fine, super trend is red, so we're below the super trend. But then there was a trend change also right here, right? We have the candle, the first candle, we place a line, horizontal line, and this candle confirmed the trend change. So that's why this entry is canceled also, right? So we can continue. See, that's all you need to do. If you're going to trade you have 2 hours to trade, then that's what you need to do. You need to look for a setup. Now this one, it's different because you have point A down here. Hold on. Point A and point B. But you can see that point A, it's below the super trend, and point B, it's above the super trend. So this is a no trade, right? Because, the first rule is not even happening, right? Check another one. The whole day yesterday, there was almost, for the past 2 days, there was almost not too many entries. Not too many. This is CAT JPY. You can see it's point A. This is point B. Right? Now we have blue line below the red line. Nice. We're also below the super trend. So this is good one. This is a good one. Now, CAT JPY. Now let's check over here. How's the let me see, 1, 2, 3. How's the correlation for CAT JPY? Right here, So you see, it's already starting a downtrend right here. Now let's check who correlates with CAD JPY. Let's see. CAD JPY. CAD JPY right there. So we have AUD JPY 99.1. Wow. AUD JPY, yeah, AUD JPY and Euro JPY, Euro JPY. There we go. Now we have on the screen the three pairs. And you see again, you see the graphic that it's like the same one, you see? And they're both starting a downtrend, correct? They're both starting the three of them, not both, the three of them. They're starting a downtrend. So that's why you can enter this trade, CAD JPY. And look what happened. Look what happened. What time was this? This was at 2 in the morning. Why I did not send you this trade? Well, because I was sleeping. That's why you need to learn the strategy. It was 2 in the morning for me for this trade. Oh my God, I need to move to some other place. Saori, I need to move to Japan. Let me see. So right here, the entry will be here. Stop loss will be here. Let's mark it just for you to have an idea what could have happened if you were in the market at 2 in the morning. This morning, 0.5 right there. Hold on. Where is it? 449.50. There we go. That's the first TP1. Anybody took this trade? As a matter of fact, if you know the strategy, you could have, if you were in Europe, in Asia, probably it was in your time zone, in a good time. 1 right here, and 1 to 2. Oh yeah, I went all the way to 1 to 2. Look at that. 2 trades already. So at 2 in the morning, this could have been the entry. Will be a sell stop. This was a sell stop. Almost all of the trades are pending orders, and they're all stop orders. Okay. Don't ever enter market order. This was the stop loss. This was TP1. TP1. Never enter market order. TP2, unless you arrive late to the trade and the trade already got activated, then you can reanalyze and probably think about entering market. So you see, it also hit TP3. Oh, Saudi, yeah, you're in California. You're in California. So this is another example of what you need to do in order to find good entries, utilizing Manara scanner, but also correlation. Okay, where do you look for the correlation? You look here, my FX book, and then right here it says correlation. You click on it, and then this is going to appear. And right here, you click here, and then add all, show all right here, row symbol, show all. Click there, and then come back, and you're going to see all the pairs. Now, to check the correlation, you just click on the currency pair right there. It is going to give you the top absolute correlation right here. And that's what you need. You just pick the first 2 pairs that your broker has. Okay. I prefer pairs that are 85 and up %. Okay. I prefer. It doesn't mean that if something is lower like this one, I don't see it. No, I just prefer 85 and better, you know? So that's where you go and look for the correlation. And then Now, now for the Manara indicators, it's very easy because you are going to click the 4 button from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one right here. And you're going to type super trend right there. Select it. And then you erase it. And now you type EMA. This is the one you click twice, 2 times on this one. Okay. Moving average exponential twice. Now, the 3 indicators are going to be here on the top left. So now the way to put the correct parameters, it's simple also. You just click on the middle button right here. It says format. See? Let me erase everything. You see? See here the middle button, super trend, middle button. And then this is the style that I have. And then the inputs is going to be 14.4. This is very important, 14.4. Okay. Now, this input, it's only for Manara. Okay. I'm going to show you on the right side. The correlation is different. So 14.4, you click OK. And then you're going to see your super trend right there. Now, for the EMA, click on the middle button. The first one is going to be on inputs. You're going to put 20. And the style is going to be blue. Okay, that's all. There we go. That's the MA20. And then the last one, click on the middle button, format. The style is red, and the inputs is 50. 50 close 0. And there you go. That's all. That's all the indicator. You do this one more time. I mean, just one time. You do it one time. And it's just going to be, every time it's going to be in your Manara, every time you go in. Now, to check the correlation, you need to use the daily time frame. You see how it says here, daily, daily, and daily. And the super trend is going to be 14 and 1. 14, period, and multiplier is going to be 1. That's very important, 14, 1. Okay, so super trend on correlation is 14.1, but on Manara analysis is 14.4. That's a big difference. Okay, that's a mistake that you could have setting up super trend same on both. And no, it's 14.1 on correlation and 14.4 on Manara. Okay, and guys, that's basically it for today. There's no new entries right now. There's nothing new yet. But throughout the day, I am sure we're going to have some information. It says Marina is saying, I downloaded the super trend to MT5, but I have to add it each time. How can I get it to stay? Well, Marina, when you add an indicator, you can click on the right button. And then right here where it says template, you can save the template, save template, and you can save it as a default right here. Default. So now every time you open a chart, it's going to load the default. Okay? That's how I have it. Very simple. Again, I explained to you, I added the super trend, click on the right button, template, save template, default, save, and that's it. Next time you open a chart, let me open AUD CAD chart window, and you see AUD CAD. I just opened this one, and the super trend is there. Simple, right? My pleasure, Marina. So, guys, that's we're gonna wrap it up. That's today's class. I hope you have a successful trading day today. Let me know when you start analyzing and having your own trade, your own entries. Let me know. Send me a message to social media so I can know that you are learning. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice evening to you too, Saudi. Many blessings to all of you. See you next Wednesday in English, but tomorrow in Spanish. Oh, hold on. There's a new notification that just arrived. AUD USD. Hold on. Let's see if this is the one we've been waiting for. Let's see. Hold on. Let me load it again. AUD USD. So we have point A down here, point B right here. They're below the super trend, but you see how the EMAs are flat? We don't trade those. We wait for a good what's it called? Trend, like here, for example. Okay? So that's all. Now for sure we wrap it up. See you next Wednesday. And if you want to take a Spanish class tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you, guys.